Welcome to our video on earning instant respect. In today's fast-paced world, respect is not just earned, it's a currency of influence. Join us as we unveil 9 powerful strategies to command respect instantly. From authenticity to active listening, each step is a key to unlocking the admiration and trust of those around you. Let's dive in and discover how you can become a respected leader in any situation. 12. Treat others with respect. Respect is a reciprocal exchange, necessitating that you treat others with kindness, fairness, and dignity. Acknowledging the value of their contributions and demonstrating appreciation fosters mutual respect. When you extend respect to others, it cultivates a positive environment where everyone feels valued and validated. This inclusive approach not only enhances collaboration, but also strengthens relationships. By embodying respect in your interactions, you set a precedent for how you expect to be treated, creating a culture of mutual respect and understanding. Ultimately, by giving respect freely, you're more likely to receive it in return, nurturing harmonious and productive relationships built on mutual admiration and appreciation. 11. Demonstrate competence. Competence is a cornerstone of respect. By consistently striving for excellence in your pursuits and diligently honing your skills, knowledge, and expertise, you command admiration and trust from your peers and colleagues. Demonstrating competence not only showcases your capability, but also instills confidence in others regarding your abilities. When you excel in your field, you establish yourself as a credible and reliable resource, earning the respect of those around you. Continuously seeking growth and improvement underscores your dedication to mastery and reinforces your reputation as a competent and respected individual in your sphere of influence. 10. Show empathy. Displaying empathy is a powerful tool in earning respect. By genuinely understanding and validating the emotions of others, you foster a sense of connection and trust. When individuals feel heard and acknowledged, it strengthens their bond with you and enhances mutual respect. Empathy demonstrates your capacity to empathize with others' experiences, building bridges of understanding and compassion. By prioritizing empathy in your interactions, you cultivate an environment of mutual respect and appreciation, where individuals feel valued and understood. 9. Stay calm under pressure. Maintaining composure under pressure is pivotal for earning respect. When faced with challenging circumstances, staying level-headed showcases your poise and maturity. Reacting impulsively or emotionally can erode respect, as it may be perceived as a lack of control or stability. By contrast, approaching conflicts with a calm and rational demeanor demonstrates your ability to navigate adversity with grace and tact. People admire those who can keep their cool amidst chaos, as it inspires confidence and trust. By remaining composed under pressure, you not only preserve respect, but also showcase your capacity for effective leadership and problem solving. Wonderful viewers, if you're enjoying what you're seeing, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up by pressing that like button below. Your support means the world to us, and it helps us keep creating content. 8. Be reliable. Reliability is the cornerstone of respect. By consistently delivering on your promises and obligations, you demonstrate integrity and dependability. Whether it's meeting deadlines, honoring commitments, or simply being punctual, your reliability speaks volumes about your character. People gravitate towards those they can trust, and reliability fosters that trust. When you consistently follow through on your word, you instill confidence in others, earning their respect and admiration. Being reliable isn't just about meeting expectations, it's about exceeding them consistently, showing dedication and accountability in all your endeavors. 7. Lead by example. Leading by example is paramount in establishing a culture of respect. By embodying respect in your actions and behavior, you become a guiding light for others to emulate. Consistently uphold the principles of respect in your interactions and decision-making, serving as a role model for those around you. Your actions carry significant weight, speaking volumes about your commitment to fostering a respectful environment. When you consistently demonstrate respect in all aspects of your life, you inspire others to follow suit, catalyzing a ripple effect of positivity and mutual regard throughout your community or organization. 6. Be open to feedback. Being open to feedback is pivotal for personal and professional growth. Embrace feedback as a constructive tool, recognizing it as an opportunity for improvement rather than criticism. Actively seek out constructive criticism and listen attentively, demonstrating a genuine willingness to learn and evolve. By valuing others' insights and perspectives, you foster a culture of mutual respect and collaboration. Moreover, by incorporating feedback into your growth journey, you enhance your own development and effectiveness, ultimately becoming a stronger and more adaptable individual. 5. Practice humility. Humility is the essence of genuine respect. It entails acknowledging both your strengths and limitations without the need for external validation or boasting. Furthermore, it involves recognizing the expertise and perspectives of others, valuing their contributions on par with your own. Leaders who embody humility prioritize collective success over personal acclaim, inspiring trust and admiration among their peers. By practicing humility, you foster an environment of mutual respect and collaboration, where individuals feel valued and empowered to contribute their best. 4. Set boundaries. Establishing boundaries is pivotal in earning respect. By honoring your own limits and communicating them assertively, you convey self-respect and signal to others how you expect to be treated. Clearly delineate what behaviors you find acceptable and those you won't tolerate, setting the tone for respectful interaction. When people witness your commitment to self-respect, they are inclined to reciprocate, acknowledging your boundaries and treating you accordingly. This mutual understanding fosters an environment of respect and consideration, laying the foundation for healthy relationships built on mutual respect and understanding. 3. Show confidence. Confidence is a beacon that draws respect towards you. When you exude confidence, you project assurance in your abilities and convictions. Stand tall, articulate your thoughts clearly, and express your opinions with conviction while remaining open to others' perspectives. True confidence isn't about arrogance, but rather a firm belief in yourself and your capabilities. It radiates authenticity and inspires trust in those around you. People are naturally drawn to confidence because it signifies reliability and competence. By embracing confidence, you not only garner respect, but also empower others to believe in your leadership and vision. 2. Listen actively. Active listening is a potent tool for earning respect. It's a manifestation of genuine regard for others. When you listen attentively, you validate their thoughts and feelings, fostering a sense of significance. Engage fully by maintaining eye contact and displaying empathy, indicating your genuine interest in their perspective. People crave understanding, and when they feel heard, it deepens their respect for you. Active listening transcends mere hearing. It's about comprehending and empathizing with others' experiences. By demonstrating this level of respect, you cultivate stronger connections built on mutual appreciation and understanding. 1. Be authentic. Authenticity holds immense power in earning respect. When you're true to yourself, it resonates deeply with others, drawing them towards you. People admire those who are genuine because it signifies integrity and sincerity. Embrace every facet of your being, the quirks, imperfections, and talents. Don't mold yourself to fit someone else's expectations. Instead, honor your individuality. Pretense may garner temporary approval, but genuine authenticity commands lasting respect. When you prioritize being true to yourself, you cultivate deeper connections based on trust and mutual understanding.